Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clear Gemini history. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Gemini activity page. This central hub allows you to view and manage all your past interactions with Gemini. It's a straightforward process to find, typically located within your Google account settings under Data and Privacy. Once there, you'll see a comprehensive list of your conversations, ready for review or deletion. To delete specific conversations, simply scroll through your Gemini activity. Each conversation entry has a three-dot menu, usually on the right side. Clicking this menu reveals options, including delete. This allows for precise control, letting you remove sensitive or unwanted chats one by one without affecting your entire history. It's a quick and efficient way to manage your data with minimal effort. If you need to clear multiple conversations from a certain period, use the Delete Activity by feature. This option, often found at the top of the activity page, lets you specify a time frame. You can choose to delete interactions from the last hour, the last day, or even a custom range, giving you flexibility. This is ideal for bulk deletions, saving you time compared to individual removals. Finally, to prevent future Gemini conversations from being saved, you can turn off Gemini activity entirely. On the Gemini activity page, look for the main toggle switch. Disabling this setting ensures that no new interactions will be recorded in your history moving forward. This provides a permanent solution for privacy, giving you complete control over what data Gemini retains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.